If you want to get the most out of Descript's advanced audio features, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, we'll break down how to take advantage of all the powerful tools Descript offers for audio editing and production. Whether you're a beginner or have used Descript for a while, you'll learn how to streamline your workflow and create high-quality audio with ease. You can try Descript completely free with exclusive bonuses through the first link in the description, so stick around to see what's coming up. Let's dive right into Descript's advanced audio tools. First up, we have the multi-clip editing feature. This allows you to work on multiple audio clips simultaneously. You can cut, trim, or rearrange different clips in one single screen, making editing far quicker and more efficient than traditional methods. You'll save a ton of time when you're working on podcasts or interviews that span across multiple tracks. Now, one of Descript's standout features is the Studio Sound tool. This is especially useful if you're working with audio that has background noise or poor recording quality. It uses AI to clean up your audio, reducing noise and boosting clarity, almost like a professional audio engineer is working on your file. It's pretty impressive and it's so easy to use. Just one click and it works automatically. If you're looking to really take control over your audio, Descript offers the ability to fine-tune individual audio tracks with its advanced waveform editing. This lets you see the exact shape of your audio, helping you pinpoint issues like pops, clicks, or abrupt pauses. With this tool, you can make precise adjustments, ensuring your final product sounds polished and professional. For those editing voiceovers or interviews, the overdub feature in Descript is a game changer. It uses AI to create a synthetic version of your voice, so you can type in text and have it read out in your voice, seamlessly fitting into your audio file. This is incredibly helpful if you need to change a word or phrase but don't want to re-record entire sections. Overdub's accuracy is mind-blowing, especially if you're doing long audio pieces where even small changes can be a big hassle. Now, when you're editing podcasts or other long-form audio, Descript's auto-transcription feature is a huge time saver. It automatically generates text transcriptions of your audio, allowing you to edit by simply clicking on the text instead of scrubbing through the audio. This is not only great for editing, but also for creating captions or even repurposing content for social media posts or blogs. Another neat feature is the ability to export high-quality audio in multiple formats, from MP3 to WAV, depending on your needs. If you're a content creator looking for polished output, this is a huge plus, as you can export everything directly from Descript without needing to jump between software. As we wrap up, remember that you can get an exclusive extended free trial of Descript through the link below. This means you can explore these advanced audio features risk-free and see how much they can improve your workflow. Don't miss out on the opportunity to elevate your content creation with these powerful tools. Descript's advanced audio features are designed to make editing easier and faster while delivering top-notch results. Whether you're cleaning up background noise, trimming clips, or overdubbing with AI, you'll find Descript an indispensable part of your toolkit. And remember, if you want to try it out for free with exclusive bonuses, click the link below and start exploring today.